everyone, my name is Arjun and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making my favorite tortillas. These are made with cornmeal and I'll be making them from scratch. This is a really easy recipe, so let's get into it. So we'll start by making the dough. I'll start by taking corn flour and I'll add in all-purpose flour. And I'll give it a mix. Next, I'll gradually add in water and I'll bring it together with my hands. Into this, I'll add in oil and some salt. Now this dough has a play-doh-like texture. Now we'll put it in a dough to let it rest for 15 minutes. Now let's chop some vegetables. Now it's time to roll it. I'll roll it just like we roll chapatis. I'm going to make medium-sized tortillas. You can make any size you're comfortable with. Now I'll transfer it to my heated pan for 10 seconds. Now I'll let it cook for 30 seconds. Now I'll transfer it to a plate. Yay! My first tortilla is ready. It hasn't come out perfectly round, but I'll try to make my next one better. fresh tortillas are ready. These smell awesome. You can turn these into tacos or nachos, but I'll be putting vegetables on them and baking it. I will start by preheating the oven at 180 degrees. Next, I'll take a pizza tray, and onto that I'll put on my tortilla. Next goes on some pizza pasta sauce. And the vegetables I cut earlier. And I'll sprinkle some cheese. Remember, it's not a pizza, we just have to add a bit. Now I'll pop it in the oven at 180 degrees for 7 to 8 minutes. Hear that? It is done. Doesn't it look nice? Let's give it a try. This is super easy, healthy and super tasty too. Do give it a try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.